Hi guys and welcome to today's video of how to make money online with Cash App. Before we get started, subscribe and hit the like button if you haven't done it already. Now let's get started. Cash App is a survey app, sponsored by different companies and brand owners. And when a user performs a task, or to be specific, a survey, the user will get bonus coin drops. The more survey you perform, the more your coins increases. As you can see, the survey are very simple, no stress or experience required. This Cash App has already gotten 10 million plus downloads, and it has good ratings and a very nice reviews. You can always convert and withdraw your money once you have gotten enough coin. Look at the top right corner and you will see a dollar sign. Tap on the icon and it automatically take you to the withdrawal page. Simply type and submit your PayPal registered email. And boom, you are ready to start making commission online. Feel free to comment or ask any question down below. To get started, scroll down below this video and click on the first link. Good luck and don't forget to subscribe.